Hello, I'm Joanna Bennett, and this is my video log about being an interpreter project advisor. I have two careers. I'm an actor and a sign language interpreter. Do these two domains ever come together? Yes, they do. I live in Canada, in the city of Toronto. In Toronto, there's a company called Volcano Theatre. And this company is getting ready to present a show called Africa Trilogy. It will be presented in June of 2010. They asked me, how do they invite deaf and hard of hearing patrons to their production? This discussion led to my position as their advisor. What I needed to see first was the script. Or should I say, scripts. This is a trilogy, so naturally there are 3 stories. Quite an adventure. So I read each script and I thought about how interpreters could be incorporated into the show. And my recommendation? 7 interpreters. Next, I suggested hiring someone from the deaf community to offer valuable services, such as advertising. Traditional theater advertising via newspapers, etc., mostly doesn't reach the deaf people because of a history of being barred from attending shows. The deaf consultant knows the best way via emails, websites. Oh, and something quite unique being made is an ASL trailer. It's a video put online of someone signing details about the show, what it's about, where to buy tickets, etc. This person will also advise regarding access. At rehearsals, they will let the production know if something isn't clear, if is the lighting appropriate, where are the best seats for viewing. Too close won't work, and too far away makes it difficult to see the action. One more benefit to hiring a deaf person is their skill to assist the interpreters with translation from English to American Sign Language, ASL. My next responsibility was to find the interpreting teams. I scouted carefully for lead interpreters, which I call IDs, or interpreter directors. They are responsible for their interpreting team. 2 of the stories, there will be 3 interpreters each, and the third one will just be one person by themselves. The IDs facilitate communication between their team and the production team. So I put forth the names of the teams, and they were all contracted. So what happens next? For about a month, the cast and crew will work on their respective plays. The interpreters head into those rehearsals to listen and watch the process. You may wonder, if an interpreter has a script, isn't that enough to prepare? Well, the director and actors create their own understanding of the story, so with that information, that's how an interpreter can provide an accurate artistic interpretation. The IDs will look for creative ways to be integrated into the action and will recommend how to go about it. As time goes on, interpreters will get a run-through with the cast to get the interpretation on its feet. It's at this point that they are ready to interpret the show. Now, will every show during the run be interpreted? No, 2 of them will be accessible. First one is Friday, June 11th, That'll be at 7 p.m. and Saturday, June 19th at 1 p.m. If you're interested to check out these shows, contact Volcano. Check out their website for ticket information. This has been a fascinating process so far. Rehearsals are going to be great. I look forward to getting into it. That's all for now.